Hey fam, I'm back again with some soul food cooked straight from the heart. This one was inspired by my mom. She used to make this kind of soup, then call us and tell us to stop by, or she'd send some over to her home so we could feel her love through her cooking. She passed away 10 years ago, and preparing meals like this is one of the ways I keep her close and stay connected to her memory. She's no longer here to call me and say, I'm just calling to hear your voice. But moments like this makes me feel her presence all over again. That's why today I decided to cook some Jamaican cow foot soup. I won't lie, it cost me $82. The cow foot alone was $18 and the Jamaican yellow yam was $6.99 per pound. I'll have to blame that one on Melissa for damaging all the food a few months ago in Jamaica. Still, it was worth every dollar. Today, I'm using cow foot, sliced beef neck, red peas, carrots, chocho, cocoa, Jamaican yellow yam, and of course, some dumplings to bring it all together. Once again, this one is for my mom, made with love. I truly hope you enjoy the video. Please watch until the end. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I see a lot of you watching but not yet subscribing. Help us reach our next goal of 100 subscribers. Your support, no matter how small, really helps push the channel forward. As always, walk good, stay blessed, and thank you for being part of the family.